Guys, ilang araw ko siyang hinihintay, so excited na ako. What's up, guys? So, for today's vlog or video, so I am gonna open my pocket. So, guys, ilang araw ko siyang hinihintay, so excited na ako. So, first mag-hand sanitize muna tayo kasi galing doon yung virus. Okay, yan po muna. Pati sa kamay ko. So, I'm gonna just gonna put the hand sanitize. Nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm excited. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, I've been waiting for this a long time. Oh my god. Wala natin. First, i-try ko baka I don't want to get it. Oh. Guys! Oh my god. It's satisfying. Oh my gosh. Like, let's open another one. I'm stressed out. Like, I don't want to finish this one. Oh. Okay, I don't want to finish it. Ooh. Guys, it's really purple and orange that I ordered and bought. I don't know. Because, oh my gosh. I think I want to end this vlog, but I want to play it so badly. So yeah, and I want to play with it every day. Okay. Oh my gosh. Hold on, I'm gonna say this because it's so very... Guys, if you ordered this, it is so very stressful at all. I thought it was not came, but now it came, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so happy because I get these pop it that it can pop early. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is really, oh my gosh, I am satisfied right now. Oh my gosh. Guys, if you ordered this there, yeah. But yeah, really, how did they do this? Really? Because it is so very soft, so very unstressing, and I'm happy today. I got to pop it now. Let's count it. Okay. What's up? Let's count. Okay. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. 28 of this circle one wrapped around it. Here. Now let's count purple one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and oh, I'm so very happy I got these! Okay, and as you can see, if you want to see this too, this one is orange, this one is purple. Why am I popping it? I like to pop it. Guys, look at this. And it's so very fluffy even. This is really fluffy. And yeah, look at this. This is purple. The circle one is orange. And look at this. It's just... Oh my gosh. I cannot hold it. It's just... I really like my pop-it. And look at it. It's purple and orange. Oh my gosh. And if you press it, it is so very satisfying. I thought it will never came, but it really came. So, and yeah, I really like it so much. As you can see, I'm really trying my best. So yeah guys, that's all it. So don't forget to like and share and subscribe and hit the notification bell to see some update videos. Bye guys! I love you all. See you at home.